test shoot in London with 18-year-old model Georgina Toms. Now, she got spotted outside Woolworths in Manchester a few years ago, and she's been freshly modelling now for the last 2 years. She eats a lot of crap.
I eat biscuits, lots of biscuits, chocolate a lot, pizza and crap stuff. Proper student kind of diet, I suppose. Alcohol and all that good stuff for you.
The average model's career lasts for just 3 years. Georgina may look great now, but if she carries on like this, her shelf life could be shorter than a packet of her favourite biscuits. So I'm here to show how easy it is to cook and eat a balanced, healthy diet. Great shots. Hi, Georgina.
Hiya.
How are you?
I'm all right.
Travelling-wise, are you travelling a lot?
Yeah, in the past month I've been to Hamburg, Milan and Madrid.
How do you eat when you're on the fly like this?
Whatever's available.
Whatever's available. But that's not what you have for lunch, is it?
No, that's just snacks.
Snacks.
In between. I can eat half a packet of biscuits a day if I want to.
Half a packet?
Yeah.
No chance.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. I like biscuits. It's like my downfall.
Are you confident in the kitchen?
I can do it, but I might, like, burn myself accidentally.
No, that's not going to happen. Get changed, we'll go to the kitchen,
Okay.
and we'll cook something vibrant, healthy, and incredibly easy.
Okay.
OK? I'm going to prove to Georgina that healthy food can be every bit as tasty as the beloved biscuits and chocolate. Pan-seared tuna with really nice couscous and some roasted vegetables. Chop the veg. Peppers, courgettes, leeks, and red onions, OK?
Do we need lots of onions? I don't like onions.
You don't like onion. Once they're roasted in olive oil, you'll be surprised. Mixed together with olive oil, salt and pepper. To serve alongside, I'm using couscous, which is low in fat and high in fibre. Add a dash of olive oil and pour over the hot stock. Cover with cling film and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Gonna make a really quick vinaigrette. Just 2/3 extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper, a little touch of white wine vinegar, fresh lemon juice and zest. Now for the tuna. Crush some coriander seeds with some seasoning. Good.
This is like proper manual labour, isn't it?
Labour of love. It'll be worth it. Get some welly in there. Season the tuna and coat with olive oil and the crushed coriander. Heat a frying pan, then add the olive oil and sear the tuna. That burnt me. Take out and leave to rest for a few minutes. Take out vinaigrette. All nice lemony. Now with the couscous, I keep on shaking the bowl. Got to move it all up.
It's all stuck at the bottom.
That's why we get a good shake now, so it doesn't become stodgy.
Get it off.
Add fresh coriander, lemon zest and juice, and a couple of spoons of the vinaigrette. Vegetables out the oven. A nice spoon of couscous on there. Add vegetables.
Yep.
And see the grains of the tuna.
Yeah.
Sliced with that. On top. Finally, that is a very quick, easy, healthy tuna.
Okay.
Yeah. Right, off we go. Yeah, back to the studio. That smells amazing.
Yeah.
Excellent.
I'm not keen on onions, but I'll try one.
Try it.
It does actually taste nice.
Yeah, good. Has it given you a source of inspiration to go and cook?
Well, yeah, I know I can do it now, and it's kind of easy once you showed how to do it. I'm going to eat all of this just so you know.
Good.